guys good? It won't start?
No.
Is there a choke?
Well, I don't know. We put it on the fuel on, the keys in. It turned off for a little bit and then died.
It sounds like it's gonna start. Let's see. Fuel's on. Yeah, see this here? That right there? This needs to be up, I think. Yeah, I guess it was on.
Okay.
Here, give it a go again. And give it some... Huh. It's electric start too?
I think.
Yeah, I don't know. It might have got a little flooded if you've tried a bunch of times, but I'm not super familiar. Try again, maybe? I don't know. Really kick it. Oh, it wants to go. Or just hold it for like 1 second. Now let go. I don't know, sorry. But yeah, look, fuel's on, choke's on. That's weird. And you put gas in it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, no throttle, just huh. You could try to be rolling and kick it. Like just get on and then just like, are you in neutral?
I don't know how to.
Oh, okay, so usually it's one down.
Oh, okay.
And then if you go all the way down and then go halfway. If it rolls on its own, it's in neutral. So it's not in neutral. Oh, it's all down. Okay. Here, can I give it a shot? Yeah, okay. It's just not gonna start. There you go. I think it's just no throttle when you just let. Here. Just don't give it throttle when you kick it.
Thank you.
Yeah, and just there was a snake on the road up that way, so.
Oh yeah, we're just.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ready?
Ready? Don't be scared.
First, get used to moving it around, Steve.
It's just like a bike.
Move it around. Move it around no more. Like walk with it. See if you get used to it.
Have a good one.